Hi everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. The puppies are having a little play fight off of camera, so if you hear some growling, don't they sound ferocious? Come here. Come here, baby. There we go. It's another unboxing today. Her paws are all wet from Charlie chewing on them. Go on, go play. Go on. Go on, go play. There they go. Okay, let's see what we got here. Nice box. Come on, puppies. Come on. Stop fighting. They're so funny. BB grabs the fur on Charlie's face, and Charlie goes after her paws. This one, I feel like I've done this already. I'm gonna have to look back. It's a 50 by 50 full drill round. And it says like magical fairy tree. I got the tools. It's a pink pen with a, what's that? A 6 placer, some wax, some tweezers, a green tray with a funnel. Oh, that's it. Good. I need more pens like that. For my first four diamond paintings, I used the same pen over and over. And now I've made rainbow loom grippies for a lot of them. Have more coming so I can make some more rainbow looms. I like to play with color. I'm having fun with the color. Okay, I'm slowly peeling this off. It's a beautiful tree with these little fairy lights. I don't know how well you can see that. And there's the symbols. Lots of green and blue and brown. One big sheet of paper, so I'm gonna have to cut it, which is fine. Come on, uncurl. I wanted to peel this other corner so you can really see the canvas. There we go. Slowly but surely. I don't need to rip more. I'm so good at that. Did you hear it? Very corner, and I ripped it. Oh, my goodness. That's all right. Remember, if something happens to your paper on top, or you don't like the clear plastic ones, you can always get some parchment paper and use that instead. It works fantastically. Be very careful what you put on there, though, because even the clear plastic, if you flip it over and use the wrong side, it will stick to your canvas. Talk about a mess. I've done it. I didn't even know there was a right and a wrong side. And I chose the wrong side. Okay, here we go. There's the image. It's another one that's very dark and dramatic, but I love fairies, fireflies, lightning bugs, whatever you want to call them. I just think they're lovely. And I'm a big fan of lovely. Again, it's a 50 by 50. Here's all the drills in a very nice, neat package. Checking to make sure the camera's really recording. I did another unboxing and again, just chatting away, talking, and then I looked and my phone was black. The screen was black. Turned out I had not started the video. I had simply taken a picture. I have a whole handful of bags. I swear I'm gonna find a good use for those bags. Maybe a Girl Scout troop or something would like them. I don't know. So here is the image right there at the top. And I will put it into the video too so you can see really well. I swear I've done this one. So now I'm wondering, did I do it and put it away? Or did I buy 2 of them? Which is entirely possible. Hey, get out of here. Charlie, what are you doing? Okay. Okay, let's finish up. Just have to inventory these drills. I'm having one of those days. I did an unboxing and then realized, oh, I think I told this story already. Did I mention I have a little short-term memory? I never know if I've said things before, and I repeat myself a lot. And how do you know you have short-term memory if you don't remember? It isn't until my husband says for the 5th time, yeah, you've told me that. Twice. 6. It's okay. Just keep smiling. I finally got a new pen. It's a Papermate gel pen to replace that big, thick Sharpie I was using. I don't know what I was thinking. It was not easy to use. Okay, 30, 11, 6. Got it. But yeah, one of those days, I forget to hit record and then the battery dies. I'm terrible about my battery, which is bad because, you know, I'm usually looking for somebody to talk to, a family member to call me. I don't like to bother people. I should probably get over that and just bother them. But, you know, my mother will be trying to call me. And then I realized that my phone is dead for 2 days. When I was working, my phone was my life. It rang all day, all night. International customers would be calling me. I'd have people calling me on my office phone, on my cell phone at the same time. It was a little bit stressful. A little bit. I'm happy to be retired now. And I'm very happy that I can do these videos. I can do them on my own time. If I feel like it, if I don't feel like it. Yesterday I did some diamond painting. And then took a 4-hour nap. Snaps are important. People say, oh, I would love to be able to do what I want, nap when I want. No, you don't. It comes with a stroke. 6, 8. It is not the life that you want. It's not the life I would choose. But I'm gonna make the best of it. And now I get to diamond paint and share it with all you lovely people. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 of, what is it? In black, 310, I should know that. So there's always a trade-off, and you deal with what you get, and you go forward. 500, 12 of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Everybody's sleeping. BB's sleeping over there. Charlie's sleeping back there. Charlie likes to have himself up on a pillow. Because he's like little Lord Fauntleroy. He likes to be comfy. Five. This is going well. Oh, and I looked up this picture. I have another video unboxing that I did that was similar. It was a tree with lights in it, but it's different when I look closely at this one. That one was like a reflection of itself, and this one is different size, different colors, but the same idea. A beautiful tree with little fairy lights in it. I can't see a number on this one at all. Oh, wait, there it is. Let's hold it up. Nope, that doesn't help. Let's get it in the light. Oh, that's terrible. I don't see a number at all. We'll come back to that one. 561, 247. Perfect. Trying to make these little check marks very light because I'm writing on top of the canvas. Oh, there's 2 little spare drills there. I love watching Ella's videos, Kicking Cancer's Butt and Diamond Painting. And she always talks about how there's like love affairs going on in the factory. That just cracks me up. And I can't help think of it now. Every time I see the wrong color in here or little spares. Look, see? Can you see them? A square even. I was kitting up my custom that I'm working on, and if you don't know, kitting up means taking all the drills and organizing them and getting them ready so you can access them easily while you're working on it. And I really thought I was doing a good job. I thought I was being careful. I finished and I got up and looked at the bed real close, and there were like 30 drills lying there. I just, oh, I cracked me up. 2, 4, 4, 5, 1. I love these gel pens. I love pens, period. I've always been one to go look at the pen section in a Staples or Office Depot. I'm just drawn to them. I like stuff like that. I feel like I can buy it and not feel guilty because I'm going to use it. Although I have to live to 150 to use all my pens that I own. But that's good because I'll have plenty of time to work on all these diamond paintings that I have. 8, 6, 9, I think. Yes, 2. I was looking in one of the groups, they were talking about your husband or significant other. This is not a craft just for women. Men do it too. Finding your stash and the shame of having to admit to the addiction of buying these canvases. You just want more and more and more and more. And I always feel like guilty somehow because my husband's okay with it. He's happy that I found something to do. It keeps me busy, that I enjoy. He just smiles. He laughs. He watched that stash video and I think I shocked him a little bit, but you know, he's having fun with it. And it's not like I have other vices. I'm not out buying expensive shoes. Okay, all of the drills are here. Very exciting. I'm going to put the tools in there and this big stack of bags that is just falling all over. I'm going to find a little box and just throw all the bags in it. If anybody knows of something you can do with the bags, let me know. And let me make a little label for this bag. I'm just gonna say tree with lights. And I will look up on the page where I bought it and find out what the real name is and get a nice picture for you all to see. And don't forget, we have the Facebook group, Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. There's a page and a group. If you find the page, it will take you to the group. There's a button on there. We're still small, under 100 people, but we're growing and we're sharing and having fun. I'd love to talk to you. Feel free to contact me, write me. You're not bugging me. Gotta let the air out. These bags of drills are getting out of control. I have 3 big bags already. Maybe I need to find some bigger bags so I don't have so many of them. And that's it. You have a great day. And talk to you soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.